Hello everyone. So you want to learn how to make 3D Minecraft thumbnails? Well, that's why you clicked on the video, right? Based off the support from the last video, I decided to do another one. But if this video is useful to you and you do enjoy it, make sure you like and subscribe. Anyways, let's get into the video. You first need to start off by searching up Novaskin Wallpaper on Google. Once you're on this website, you'll see hundreds of Minecraft templates that you could use for free. Me personally, I'm going to use this one. When you choose the one that you want, then you click on the character and you can search anyone's name up, and I will put the skin of the person onto the character. After this, you download it. If you scroll down, you'll see a button. You can change the ratio to whatever size you want. I suggest 1920 by 1080. You then go to a website called Photopea. It's a free version of Photoshop. It does everything that Photoshop can, but for free. Next step is the most important. All you have to do is to cut out your character and remove it from the background. To do this, you can use the lasso tool or the quick selection tool. And when your character is outlined, you can copy and paste it, and they will automatically create a new layer. The next step is color adjusting. So this is just brightening up both of your two layers to the amount that you think looks good. Me personally, I put the brightness very high because that is the style that I'm going for, but you don't have to do it as bright as me. What I did next is to work on the sky. So all I did now is just remove the sky that's already on the picture and then replaced it with a sky that's on Google. All you have to search on Google is just Minecraft sky and just find the one that you like. Then blend in the sky so it matches with the other assets. I also added a sun, and the places that the sun hit, I went over with a brush just to add a bit of glow. And now I did the same that I did on the background, but I did on my character instead. I put up the brightness, the contrast to the amount that I liked. After this, I would say is the most important bit. I got my brush, I made it size 2, 100% hardness, and then I went over the sharp edges that would reflect light, and I drew a line onto it to create the Minecraft YouTuber look. But make sure you draw on the lines on a brand new layer. At this point, the thumbnail is basically done. All I'm doing now is just adding little details like in the glow, brightness, shadow. All these things I'm doing now are preferences, so if you want to do the same, you can do. And we finally have the final product. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. If you did find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe. And please let me know what you want to see next and I will do it. Anyways, thank you for watching.